TalentLMS automations let you put your training on autopilot, triggering actions based on your own rules with zero manual effort. Let's create an automation right now. Log into your portal as an administrator. If your plan supports automations, click Automations from the sidebar, followed by Add Automation. From the drop-down menu, you'll find a wide range of automation options to choose from. You can assign courses based on certain events, award users with extra points for certain course completions, or deactivate users based on their login or purchasing activity. Let's create an automation which will assign a course to learners 24 hours after they've completed another course. Select the Z hours after course X completion, assign course Y automation. In the rule set area, set the time delay to 24 hours. Then, choose the course that must be completed to trigger the automation, followed by the course you want to assign. Finally, give your automation a name and click Save. And just like that, your new automation is live. With TalentLMS automations, you can save time, reduce admin work, and keep your training on track effortlessly.